Alright guys, I get the key now. We're gonna get the air tank in the garage. Get the Aveo in here. Yes, and you can see while we're in here, there is that H22 SH model. The ATT is somewhere in there, and this is the SE, or you could say base. They're both running, came out on a good running vehicle. Don't know the PSI, I don't know the kilometer. I'm guessing it's about over 200,000 K on that one. Same thing with this one, over 200,000 K. Another symbols or sign right here, that is SH. Those are the oil going to the ATTS. The rear bumper, the gray one. There is a front one. What else back there? Okay, all the miscellaneous timing belt, rad hose, and a rad. So yeah, we're gonna take this one home. I'm for sure that it's probably no air on this. Gonna take this home and we're gonna put air on that car.